What is up, guys? So last night we went to a local car meet, me and my buddies, and took the Integra out and got a couple races in Mexico. I wasn't able to record the actual car meet because I forgot to take my camera, but when we went to Mexico, you know, I got a couple races in. My boy recorded with his iPhone, so I'm gonna be showing you guys that. The Integra did pretty decent for what I think. I mean, for what it made, 270 horsepower. It kept up with some pretty fast cars. I mean, not real like super fast cars, but it kind of surprised me. So I kind of know where the Integra is at right now for like horsepower wise to compare to the other cars. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys those clips. And I did go up pipe on my wastegate, so the car does sound a little different, and it's kind of creeping on the PSI. So right now I need to change the wastegate because right now it's going like 14 pounds, but all of last night it was like 11 pounds and it was moving. So I'll show you guys some clips right now of the races, and